My name is Apple. My name is Mango. My name is Orange. We are grapes. My name is Watermelon. My name is Cherry. My name is Banana. My name is Pineapple. My name is Strawberry. My name is Avocado. We are blueberries. My name is Melon. We are dates. My name is pear. My name is dragon fruit. My name is kiwi. My name is raspberry. My name is guava. My name is papaya. My name is lychee. My name is peach. My name is plum. My name is jackfruit. My name is fig. My name is pomegranate. My name is cranberry. My name is grapefruit. My name is mulberry. My name is blackcurrant. My name is apricot. My name is podilla. My name is sweet potato. My name is coconut. What's your name? Tell me in the comment section.